Welcome back in the shop with Dave. Butter Jeep is back. It's finally not broken. We're gonna go test it out. The shocks are always good to go. They're ready to party. We've got some time to show off how well these shocks work off-road. We're gonna do some legit rock crawling out here. Moab, Utah, stair steps in front of Cliffhanger. Oh, come on. Here we go, see if it'll stick the line. A good shock should keep this thing from hopping and bouncing too much. Smash! There we go. Look at that control. Oh my gosh, I love Butter Jeep. I love it. Sometimes you gotta get the tires warmed up a little bit. And you roll it back a little bit and give it the old Moab bump. Yeah, there we go. Smooth. Smooth! There we go. Butter Jeep's back on the trail and better than ever. The shocks are keeping the tire hop to a minimum, and I was able to come up that obstacle with some control. That was a good time.